Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HSR Automatic Yogurt Maker. There's an image of this device right on the box over here. There's also some specifications mentioned. It says that it comes with high quality non-toxic plastic shell and lightweight use. It has a stainless steel inner container which is clean and sanitary. It comes with split design of inner container and operating this is simple and convenient. It also has a transparent upper cover so that you can see what you're actually making. That's a great addition. And this side we have some more information. For instance, the rated voltage is 220 volts, rated power is 15 watt. Basically this particular yogurt maker comes with a 15 watt motor and rated capacity is 1 liter. And now I will open this box and show you what's inside. This is it. This is what you find inside the box. First up, you have a thank you note from HSR Retail. There you go. And there is also a cashback coupon for the same. There you can see it. This is the yogurt maker in question. It has a flat TPE connecting cable with it, a 2-pin connecting cable which comes with a flat wire. And this is what you see inside. Alright, there's an instruction manual on how to use this particular device and it also comes with a warranty card over here. So you should read this at least once. So now let's take a look at the different elements. As I mentioned earlier, so this is the transparent cover on top. There you go. This is the transparent cover on top and this is the actual cover for when you're going to use it. This is the body and this is the body. This is where this particular tray will go in the cup. This is where you'll be making the yogurt in question. The capacity is 1 liter for this particular cup. And yeah, this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the HSR Automatic Yogurt Maker. Thank you for watching.